My name is Lakshmibai Pundalik Bagle. I am studying in BSc first year student in CBZ class. Contents: titration, types of titration, redox titration and related terms, principle of redox titration, examples of redox titration, redox indicators, theory of redox indicator with reference to diphenylamine, types of redox titration, applications of redox titration. Then titration. Titration, it is a quantitative analysis technique used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution by gradually adding a solution of known concentration until the reaction is complete. Types of titration. First one, acid-base titration. Second one, redox titration. Third one, precipitation titration. Fourth one, complexometric titration. In the redox titration is a volumetric analysis method based on a redox reaction between the titrant and the analyte, where oxidation and reduction reaction occur simultaneously. Now, oxidation reaction. The reaction in which there is a loss of one or more electrons or increase in oxidation number is called oxidation reaction. Reduction reaction. The reaction in which there is a gain of one or more electrons or decrease in oxidation number is called reduction reaction. Oxidizing agents. It helps to oxidize others and itself undergo reduction. Example for that: potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, etc. Reducing agent. It helps to reduce others and itself undergo oxidation. Example: Morse salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate, oxalic acid, etc. Cu2 plus Mg, which gives to Cu plus Mg2 plus. Here the structure, the Cu2 plus and the Cu are the reduction by gain of electrons, and the Mg and Mg2 plus are the oxidation by loss of electrons. Here, principle of redox reaction titration. The principle of redox titration is based on the transfer of electrons between the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent. At the equivalence point, the amount of oxidizing agent is chemically equal to the amount of reducing agent. Oxidizing agent plus reducing agent, which gives product. Examples of redox titration. Titration of Morse salt against potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Titration of oxalic acid against potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Titration of ferrous sulfate against potassium dichromate in acidic medium. And the last one, titration of iodine solution against sodium thiosulfate, neutral or slightly acidic medium. Redox indicators. Redox indicator is a chemical compound that changes color at a particular electrode potential during a redox titration. The color change occurs because the indicator exists in two forms, one oxidized and one reduced, each having a different color. Examples: ferrion diphenylamine, sodium diphenylamine sulfate, and N-phenyl anthranilic acid, methylene blue, starch, etc. Theory of redox indicator with reference to diphenylamine indicator. Diphenylamine is one of the most important redox indicator. Chemical formula: C12H11N. The oxidation potential range for this indicator is 0.73 V to 0.79 V. Below 0.73 V solution, the below 0.73 V solution becomes colorless reduced form. At 0.73 V and above, solution changes from colorless to violet oxidized form. Uses: in potassium dichromate titrations, especially for determining ferrous ions. Structure of diphenylamine. This is the structure of diphenylamine. Then, types of redox titration. First one, permanganometry, second one serimetry, third one bromatometry, fourth one iodometry, and the last one chromatometry. Applications of redox titration. First one combustion reaction, second one photosynthesis reaction, third one determination of Morse salt, fourth one galvanic cell, fifth one estimation of iron contents in ores and alloys, sixth one estimation of chlorine in bleaching powder. And the reference books: Dr. Vinayak M. Nayak, Professor Progazam A, Dr. Kalpana Kervadikar, Dr. Preeti N. Tallur. Thank you one and all.